So good morning 8th standard students. This is the third video of the week, and in this video we are going to read the poem, we are going to study the poem, we are going to understand the poem My Native Land, some more stanza, and we are going to discuss the question answer also. Okay. So as we have discussed in the earlier video, this is a very inspiring poem which is written by Sir Walter Scott. Okay, and this poem is explaining about patriotism, that which peoples are, who are the people, those who are getting the respect in the world. Okay, the future generation is remembering whom as hero, so they are the people who loves their country. Okay, they are not the people who are making wealth by corruption. So this one picture I have used, children, to make you understand something. I'm not a hero, but I did have the honor of walking beside a few. See, always we cannot become the leader, okay, but we can become follower, right? So first of all we can select those who are good leader and we can start following, like our soldiers. So soldiers are very good in discipline, and they used to listen to their you can say, their major or their superior, who are there, those who are taking the decision. So this is also one of the good quality. Okay, this is also one of the good quality, and because of this good quality only, what used to happen, that the soldiers are very brave, right? Their strategy used to be very intelligent. So now we can see the last two paragraphs. Leaving shall forfeit fair renown. So what this line is saying, this line is saying that leaving shall forfeit fair renown, means those who are good peoples, they only will be remembered in future. Okay, and those who are not, the peoples will forget them. So forfeit means lose, and fair renown means those who are good, they will be only remembered. So now one example we all can take, children. See, in 1869 how many peoples were born in India? So the answer is many peoples were born in India in 1869. From 1869 to 1948, how many peoples were born? Many peoples were born. But how many names we are able to remember? Only few. Why? Because those few peoples did something for the country. Those few peoples did something for the nation, for the welfare of the people, for others. So we are able to remember them. And that line only writer is saying here and telling us that if you want that you should be remembered by others in the future, then you have to do something for your nation, means your own people. Then this last paragraph we can see, last stanza, and doubly dying shall go down to the wild dust from whence he sprung. So the one who is going to the another country, and if he is thinking not to return back and not having the intention also to return back, not having the desire also, so the answer is doubly dying, one death in his own country and one the country in which he has settled, shall go down to the wild dust from whence he sprung. And now the sprung means the happiness, everything will change into disaster, unwept, unhonored, and unsung. And all those peoples, those who don't return to their country, or if they are not having the desire also to return to their country, they are not honored also, they are not remembered also, and no one is crying for them. No one is crying for them. So now we can remember, children, Bhagat Singh. So unfortunately on 23rd March 1931, when Bhagat Singh was hanged, you cannot believe, in some of the book it is written that whole country that day they had not eaten or they have not taken water also. So this is called love, this is called compassion, this is called honor, this is called respect. And that respect those people cannot get, those who are living the life only for themselves. So Sir Walter Scott, he has rightly explained all the points correctly, and still we can find reference in all the lines whatever he has explained. So now children, we can discuss the question answer also of the poem. Question number 5. And doubly dying shall go down. According to the speaker, the man does not die, only a physical death. What is the other kind of death he experiences? Other kind of death means the person is not remembered by others. Okay. So many people are dying in the country and outside the country every day. But how many people we are able to remember? The answer is we used to remember them only who are having impact on our life. So if someone is doing good for the country, the whole countrymen, all the peoples of the country, they will remember them. B question. In your opinion, is one death worse than the other? So you all have to give here your own answer, children. You have to give your opinion that is one death worse than the other. So my suggestion is that everyone's death used to be same, okay? And death is the last experience which the human body is experiencing on this planet, right? So we should not say anything after anyone's death. For example, if anyone is very famous, that the person is very bad person in the society, maybe he is famous like that only. So after his death also, we should not say anything that the person was bad. Why? Because death is above goodness and badness. And after that, we should not judge anyone. So we can criticize those people only, those who are alive. We should not say any single word to any person who has left this world, because he or she has experienced death, and death is the last experience which the human body can have, and death is above goodness and badness, right children? So we should have compassion, sympathy for every creature. Everyone is the son of God, everyone is daughter of God. Either they are good or bad, this is their choice. Now question number 6. What happens to the man as he lives? Are there consequences to in life to his actions? Which line tell us this? So you find out the line from the poem and you explain. And yes, the consequences in the life used to be there from the action, whatever the action the person is doing. If the person in this poem, it is explained, the person, if the person is having the patriotism, then the person will get the respect, honor, and the person will be remembered. Even after his death, the musicians will play the music, okay? So here, especially about the soldier, the line is explained, right? And those who are not, they will not get these things in their life. What is the man's fate after death? How do we know? So you all are free to write anything according to your belief, whatever you want to write. So my suggestion is, children, you be little bit liberal here, because we don't expect from 8th standard children to be very serious on the topic of birth, death, fate, these topics, okay? So now you all are a child, so you should not write very serious things here. So what is the man's fate after death? Simply you can write here that the man's fate after death depends on his or her deed, what they have done in the world. How do we know? So we know these things from the religious book or from the scholars, those who have taught us, from the teacher, from the religious teacher. So like this you can simply finish your answer. Okay. Now the next question is, do you think this is just punishment? Why or why not? Yes, this is punishment. Why? Because the whole life the person is busy thinking that whatever he or she is doing is correct, but finally after their death only how the world is responding to them, that matters a lot. For example, children, you may be familiar with Alfred Nobel. Okay, so Alfred Nobel Prize is given in maximum all the fields, and if anyone is getting the Nobel Prize, that is a designation that this person is really genius. For example, someone is getting Nobel Prize in physics, means the person is genius in physics. But if you will study the life of Alfred Nobel, you will feel that what the life he was having. So when he was walking on the street, the peoples were calling him murderer. The peoples were saying all the bad words they were knowing. So very bad life he was experiencing because he discovered dynamite, and the dynamite was used in war. So many people started calling him that you are a murderer, and because of these things only he become very upset, depressed, and all his property he put in a trust and said that the price has to be given so many years. Okay, the interest from that money has to be given as price, so that the peace is conserved to the world. Now you see how great Alfred Nobel is remembered. But can you imagine how the life he was having? Right. So the judgment is always in the hand of God, and God used to show everything in the sign. See, so many people are living this world, but we don't know many of them. And children, it is not, I'm not saying that we all should become famous also. Okay, no. There are so many unsung heroes. Those who are working for the country, those who are dying for the country, those who are living for the country, but they are not famous, right? So we should not do anything for popularity. If we are becoming popular, that is another thing, but we should be pure from heart, and we should do our deed with 100% effort. Now the last part of the question is, breathe there the man with soul so dead. Reference to a person's souls are usually found in religious writing. Can you find more such uses in the poem? Does this tell us that the speaker's love for his country was as strong as devotion to God? So yes, he is saying, and so many religion are speaking the same thing, that if you are truly following any religion, then you should have love for the land, love for the country in which you and your brother, your family, your community, your neighbor, everyone is living, where you have grown up, right? So thank you all children for listening, and I hope that you all are studying also nicely. So keep focus on studying and have a desire, okay, that in future I will become someone and I will do something for others. So thank you all children for listening. Have a nice day.